Welcome to Spreadsheet 1, Topic 6.1.6, Print Workbook and Selections. So when we have this, we can decide what exactly we are going to print. We've got a number of tabs here with different kinds of information on different tabs. That's what this upper right is about. I'm going to actually just select this for this purpose. And in the upper right, we can print the current sheet. So we'll take everything we had on that sheet and that sheet only. So notice here that would be a 7-page printout. We could print just the selected cells. This may be the most common option if you're not just going with the default. So that's only the cells that were highlighted. And then the last option is to print the workbook. So that's every page from every worksheet or every tab in the entire spreadsheet, which we'll see is quite a bit more than just the 7-page printout that we would have had last time. So this would print out every page with content all the way through. So these are the different options. And then in the selection, when you have the workbook, you can pick and choose if you want all the sheets or just some of them. So if there's 3 sheets that you want to print entirely, but only 3, you could do that with one print job without having to do 7 or 3 different printouts with just current sheet, current sheet, current sheet. You could just come here and pick and choose which ones you want to do, and it will adjust to include the contents of just those sheets.